Simulan natin ang ating food adventure sa Palaya Shrimp Farm. At samahan niyo na rin akong manghuli ng gagamitin nating main ingredient. Ang isa sa mga pinakamadali at pinakamabilis na recipes na pwede mong gawin sa hipon ay ceviche.
So for our ceviche, meron tayong bell pepper, green, and red. We have two different types of acids. We have lime juice, and of course, yung ating vinegar. Salt, some sugar, pepper, sibuyas, and of course, yung ating chilies.
Pero kung Mexican ang tema ng inyong summer food trip, subukan nyo rin gumawa ng shrimp fajitas.
Season lang natin yung ating shrimp ng salt, pepper, oregano, and cumin. Balansehan lang natin ng konting asim by adding an our lime juice. And let's give it a mix. Painit muna natin yung ating flour tortilla. Yan. Pwede na natin siyang i-flip. So drop lang natin yung ating onion.
Again, with fresh shrimp, you can't go wrong.
Kaya nga eh.
Diba?
Masarap na siya, at least eh.